Y'all ought to be ashamed of sitting in them factories making some products like this. What's up, warriors? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sydney Jolie. What's good? What's poppin'? In today's video, my loves, we are getting into these products that were sent to me from Influenster / Kaja Beauty and Benefit Cosmetics. So big shout out and thank you to those brands for sponsoring this video. Oh crap! Now, this is what I received. I received this brow pencil and I received this eyeliner wink stand. This is from Benefit Cosmetics and this is from Kaja Beauty. So yes, that is what I used to accomplish this beautiful natural beat today. These bomb brows and liner, okay? Big shout out to those brands. Thank you so much. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of the Warrior Gang. Without further ado, let's get right into what we do. If you guys would like to see how I achieved this look, then stay tuned. Okay, y'all, first things first, I am so excited to get into these products. I wanted to do 2 separate videos, but I'm like, what's really the point when it's an eyeliner stamp and it's a brow pencil? So I can basically just use both in the same video. Cut out some work for myself, how about that? Because y'all, I've been so busy, like so busy. With like work and but one thing about me, I hate the fact that I allow other things to throw me off from the things that actually make me happy. Like, girl, find time in between work to do what you know that you like to do and you want to do, period. Because if you don't, you're going to continue to have to do that for the rest of your life. Then you're going to look back and be like, I didn't even get done anything for myself. So no, we're not doing that. That's why I'm here today. Hello, I'm back. Sydney Jolie's in the building. Okay, I'm gonna start by going in with this Revlon Kiss. It's like an exfoliating balm type of thing, and it's sugar mint. It literally has like, it feels like it has sugar. Like it just exfoliated my lips and put some shine to them. So I'm going to start by using this clear brow gel. Well, it's not really a brow gel. This was once upon a time a brow gel from the Color Workshop, but what I did was put some Got To Be Glue gel in there, because when I tell y'all, this stuff holds my eyebrows so well. It's like really good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spoolie my brows out. And just to let you guys know, I am required to tell you that this is a sponsored video, and these products were sent to me for reviewing and promo purposes. I have to say that. I have to let y'all know that. So yes, this is a sponsored video. This is an ad. I am doing a promotional video and review for these products that were sent to me. So I am actually so happy about this because I picked the right shade for my eyebrows. Like, I really thought I was gonna pick one that was like, like that's like when they send me the foundation ones and I'm like, I don't know if this is gonna be my shade. So I got it in the number 4, which is warm deep brown. This is how it comes. It just shows you some stuff on here, how to use it. So you twist it off like this. There's the powder. Take the top off, and here's the pencil. Go ahead and outline right up under here. And at the top. And I actually have to work today, but I'm just gonna get this done because I'm tired of not doing what I love. I'm really sick of myself. Look at that. Bam! There we go. So let's use the other side. Well, no, not the other side, but y'all know what it is. Let's do the other side. Alright, so this is the other end with like the powder in it. And I'm just gonna take this and fill it in. Look at that. Look at how easy that is. Look at how it just. Look at that. So beautiful. Like, Benefit Cosmetics, y'all done did the dang, okay. And I guess since I can hear a ball in there, you gotta shake it up a little bit. Oh yeah, because now I have a lot of it on here. Go ahead and do this side. Even though my brows are really thick and you can always see the hairs, I just like it to look really good. So yeah, the concealer I'm using is Huda Beauty in the shade, it's called Peanut Butter. Okay, 24G. I'm like, I know there's gotta be a number on here, but yeah, it's called Peanut Butter. This is my absolute favorite concealer. Honestly, don't even know when it became, oh yeah, I know when it became my favorite. I got a sample from Sephora one day and it really was just kind of sitting around. And then one day I was like, let me use this and see if it's even good. And then I did, and then next thing you know, I'm like, nah, I need a big tube of it. All right, so we're just gonna go in and clean this up. But do y'all see this brow product? Like, oh my God, I freaking love it. Like, Benefit, you're gonna make me switch from Anastasia, and you know that is my go-to. I'm pretty sure that's everybody's go-to. Well, one of, you know. I've heard really good things about e.l.f., like their brow pencils. I've heard really good things about, honestly, that's it. I think I want to crimp my hair today. Need some spice and some cuteness. I don't even know what day of the week it is. Like, I be knowing, but I don't be knowing. That's how I be feeling. Because I work nights, so my days be all thrown off and I be all over the place. Make sure y'all can see me. Just going in and cleaning up this brow the best I can. Y'all know how it'll be a while since you did your makeup and you just feel like you might be losing your touch. That's how I feel sometimes. It's okay. The same Huda concealer and just prime my lids. I'm gonna go in with my airspun powder and just set that. Honestly, y'all, I have not found a setting powder that works for me like airspun. Drop y'all favorite setting powder in the comments because I do need to try some new ones. I don't know which one is gonna work best for me. So then I'm just going to dust this off. Now we're going in with the liner. Kaja Beauty, thank you for my wing stamp. So it just says on here, wing eyeliner stamp and pen. They're easy to use, double-ended wing eyeliner stamp and liquid eyeliner duo. Get perfect wing eyeliner in seconds. Smudge-proof, waterproof, long-wear formula. And it comes in the color ink black. It just comes like this. Here's the eyeliner and here's the stamp. I'm gonna start with the right side. I'm kind of scared to use this on myself. Like, how do I do it? I'm not sure, should I use the left side? You see how it looks like this should be for my left side? I mean my right side? Yeah, like I feel like this should be... Alright, let me just stamp it and see what happens. So we're gonna put it, I'm gonna have like a little bit of an angle, so tilt it upwards a little bit because I like my wing to go this way. And let's see. Oh, Maybe it's just me. Is it me? Okay, not bad. I can live with that. Because at this point, I'm just gonna take the pen. What in the world is going on outside? Like, can y'all turn that off? Turn that off. I'm filming. Don't y'all hate when y'all be trying to get something done and it's like all the distractions in the world just start happening, or things just start to just crumble for no reason at all? Like, all right, anyway, aside from the noise happening outside, this is what we have going on, y'all. And honestly, it's not bad. I get it now. I get that the stamp, it doesn't create the whole wing. It gives you that good sharp outline. Like, once you have that outline there and it's giving you that good sharp outline, then you can just take the pencil that it came with and just see that. I think that looks really good. I did it a little thick, but I'm not taking it off, so I'm gonna have the thick liner look today. Uh-oh. Hey y'all, I really like this. And the pen is really good. Look at how I just use it and just bam. And then once it dries, it sets. So there's no way for it to move. See, look at that. I don't know. Maybe I'm stamping it wrong. Maybe not. Once you learn how to use the stamp, it makes it really easy and really sharp. Look at that. It looks really good. Like, I love it. It's a nice sharp wing and it looks really good. Y'all ought to be ashamed of sitting in them factories making some products like this. I'm about to pop my lashes on off camera and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back. My lashes are on. Now I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my face. I got a new primer from Revlon. I love the other one that I had, which I still have some of, but I just wanted a new one. And plus, I got it for 52 cents. So we're gonna just pump. And this is the Photo Ready Pore Reducing. And I think my favorite foundation is Maybelline Superstay, but I think today I'm gonna wear my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So I like to put the foundation all over and then blend it out. And I use a brush because there's some in here, but obviously I can't dump it out anymore. But yeah. That's just a tip, ladies. If you're running out of foundation, use a brush and dig on up in there and get to that foundation, honey. But yeah, I am gonna buy another one soon because yeah. Not that one though. I'm gonna buy my Superstay because that is my favorite foundation, the Superstay. And that one is dried out and kaput, so yeah. And I'm gonna use the same exact Huda concealer. I'll put some of this up under here. Then we're going to blend. Now I'm gonna go in with my Black Radiance Cream Contour Palette. I'm gonna use this brush here and do my nose. Snatch myself up real quick. Alright, highlight and contour is done. So now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of blush from this Wander Beauty palette. I'm actually gonna use these 3 gold shades as a highlight. Mainly this really gold one that's right here. Now for lips, I'm going to go in with a brown pencil. And I got this liquid eyeshadow. It's a smooth matte eyeshadow in Soft Beige by e.l.f. It was only $1. But when I saw it, I'm thinking like, oh, this would be the perfect nude lip. So as y'all can see, this is my first time opening it. So we got to see what happens. See, I freaking knew it. Like, I knew it would be a cute lip. A nice nude. I'm just gonna put a clear gloss over it. And voila. Now I'm gonna go ahead and crimp my hair off camera and I'll be back to give you guys an outro. All right, my loves, this is the final look. I just finished crimping my hair. Let me just tell y'all, I am so in love with this natural beat. Like the brows, the face, the liner, the lashes. Like, oh yeah, by the way, these lashes are from Shopthelccollection on Instagram. Big shout out and thank you to her for these lashes. And guys, that is pretty much it. I thank y'all so much for tuning into this video. And if you like this look, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up so I can keep these videos coming for y'all. I appreciate all the love and support. I will catch you guys in the next video. SydniJolie out.